Yes. Mwe bari kumana muri Ankole Media TV. Kandi of course ndantu baha makuru agashikire kandi amakuru agaruyo, amakuru gatarimo shekubira kandi amakuru agari stede munonga. So rumazaza bakara haba kujanga kandi jeno yafa konka salahi. Empara gomate kufeso. So according to reliable source ningashi kuruga page yenyine ya Honorable General Elly Tumwine MP nejangu dear Ugandans, I hope you are all doing well. Please disregard the fake news circulating on social media announcing my days. I'm neither hospitalized nor ill. Have a blessed Sunday. So nuko yagamba jeno yajangu tari na mwigwariro kandi arrested munonga. So ya social media buwani so nuko makuru agariho kandi ware mureba Ankole Media TV. Subscribing nyira subscription button kandi twongere kugumana tutamuze kintu hamwe yongera kureba Ankole Media ntwaturiho kuretera amakuru kandi amakuru nigage nyine nagajangu jeno are very okay. Jeno is very okay kandi jeno utakufaso ni umuntu wagwanira ihanga ya no basakuranga nitwe Ankole Media subscribing turengu twahikanito mitwara at least 10. Blessings people. Mwe bari munga. Man.
One of the greatest statements of our president was when he said that the national resistance movement waged a protracted people's war against tyranny on a platform of restoring personal freedoms and the amelioration of the socio-economic conditions of our people. That is the cornerstone of our program. We are talking about our NRM.
My dear brother, Honorable General Katumba Wamala and your family, I bring you my condolences. On the morning of 1st June 2021, on Tuesday, we got the shocking news of the attack by assailants on your life. My dear brother, Honorable General Katumba Wamala and your family, I bring you my condolences. On the morning of 1st June 2021, on Tuesday, we got the shocking news of the attack by assailants on your life, in which your daughter Brenda Nantongo and your driver Aruna Kayondo lost their lives. My family and I, and the big